Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending the time and the country you're watching me from. It's AKALICHE Vlogs. Please go to YouTube, search it's AKALICHE Vlogs. You'll find me there. Like, share, subscribe, watch my videos, and I'll be so happy. So my people, today I don't have much. I just wanted to unbox this with you. This is Airtel Wi-Fi, a reason to imagine. So I went for one. So you know that last week I traveled to Western and it was so hard for me to upload anything. It was hard for me to go live. So I wanted to try this. So I decided to go for one. So let us unbox and see how it looks like. About the review, I'll do the review in 3 weeks or 1 month. That's when I'll do a video about this to tell you if it's worth it. So let us open and see. It is 5G. I think in Kenya we already have 5G, but it's not stable. I think they're still working on it to be stable. We're still working on 4G. We're still using 4G. So this is 5G. So my people, let us open. That's how it is packed inside, and that's how the box looks like. The one I'm removing, it's I think I will call it the router now. I think that is the router, and then yeah, but it was already opened because in the Airtel office they have to make sure that it's okay. They have to make sure that it's working, everything is okay, so they have to open it and to set it. So there is the router. That's the router. I think I'm calling it right. That is the router there, and it has a battery that you can charge and use it later. That's the good thing about this thing. That one that I'm holding, that's a backup battery. If you're traveling, you want to upload, or if you have visited a place that there's no electricity, this one, it's good for you. You make sure that you have charged it, and then it will help you. Just connect to the router and then you are good to go. So that is the battery, the backup battery. Yeah, that is the backup battery, and it has this. I think that one is to connect to other things, either, I don't know, but I'll ask around or I'll do my research. And then it has a normal charger. It has a normal charger the way other Wi-Fi's has. That's just a normal charger, Wi-Fi normal charger. You have to charge both the router and the backup battery using that, just a normal charger, long enough for charging. And it has the manual there, so I'll have to sit down and read this carefully. So my people, I think this is good for especially the upcoming YouTubers like me. I think this will work for you, or it will work for us. So that is the router, that is the battery, the backup battery. When you are inside the house and you have electricity, you just connect it direct. But if you are somewhere that there's no electricity, you have to make sure you have charged your battery and then use it in such a place. This you can even go in the forest and you are good to go. You'll go live, you'll upload your videos. It will make the YouTubers work easier. To make the YouTubers work easier, very easy. And remember, it's 5G. I think in Kenya, when 5G will be stable, it will be more useful. It will be more something that you wouldn't regret buying. So after 2 weeks or 3 weeks or a month, I will do a video reviewing how it is, if it is worth it to buy or if it's not. But as you can see, that is it, my people. It was all about unboxing this. The review about it, I'll do it after a month or 3 weeks. So when I'll do my review about it to tell you if you can go for it. That's the charger there. You just plug in like a normal Wi-Fi, the one that we use, and then you put it to your electricity and you're good to go. So thank you so much for coming up. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for liking, sharing. Thank you so much if you have gone through my videos, if you have seen my channel and subscribed, liked, shared, watched. I'm so grateful, my people. I'm so grateful. Thank you. May God bless you. May God reward you. May God give you peace of mind. And thank you so much. See you in the next video.